Hello everyone. In this video we'll see what is prosocial behavior. I'm Rima Stanley, lecturer, Triple M College of Nursing. Objectives in this video is to know the meaning of prosocial behavior, benefits of prosocial behavior, types and reasons why we help people. So what it means by prosocial behavior? Well, these are behaviors intended to help other people. These actions are such as concern for the rights, feelings, and welfare of other people. Behaviors that can be described as prosocial behavior includes feeling empathy and concern for others. Prosocial behavior includes a wide range of actions such as helping, sharing, comforting, and cooperating. The term itself originated during the 1970s and was introduced by social scientists as an antonym for the term antisocial behavior. Now, let us see what are the benefits of prosocial behavior. So, in addition to the obvious good that the prosocial action do for the recipients, this behavior can also have a wide range of beneficial effects for the helper, such as mood boosting effects. Many research have also shown that people who engage in prosocial behavior are more likely to experience better mood. Not only that, people who help others tend to experience negative moods less frequently. Secondly, social support benefits. Having social support at time of uh, difficult times is very crucial, and research have shown that social support has a powerful impact on many aspects of wellness, including reducing the risk of loneliness, alcohol use, and depression. And thirdly, stress reducing effects. Research have found that engaging in prosocial behavior helps mitigate the negative emotion effects of stress, and helping others may actually be a great way to reduce the impact of stress in one's life. Now let us see the types of prosocial behavior. While prosocial behavior is often presented as single uniform dimension, however, many research also suggests that there are different types, and these types are based on why they are produced, and it includes proactive. These are prosocial action that serve self-benefiting purposes, while reactive, these are actions that are performed in response to individual needs. And altruistic, this include actions that are meant to help others without any expectation of personal gain. Researchers also suggested that these different types of prosocial behavior are often likely to be motivated by differing forces. For example, proactive social action were found to often be motivated by status linked goals and popularity within a group, while altruistic prosocial behavior, on the other hand, were more closely linked to being liked by peers achieving shared goals. Now, why we help others? Prosocial behaviors has long posed a challenge to social science. However, researchers have seek to understand why people engage in helping behavior that are beneficial to others but close costly to the individual performing the action. So here are a number of reasons why people engage in prosocial behavior. First of all is evolutionary influence, often explained prosocial behavior in terms of principles of natural selection, while putting your own safety in danger makes it less likely that you will survive to pass on your own genes. Keynes selection suggests that helping number of your own genetic family make it more likely that your kin will survive and pass on the gene to the future generation. And otherwise also, evidence has shown that people are often more likely to help those to whom they are closely related. Next is the personal benefit. are often seen as being compelled by a number of factors, including egoistic reason, like doing things to improve one's own self image. Next is reciprocal benefits, that is, doing something nice for someone so that they may one day return the favor. And maybe it could be more of a altruistic reason, that is, performing action purely out of empathy for another individual. Next is reciprocal behavior. The norm of reciprocity suggests that when people do something helpful for someone else, the person feels compelled to help out in return. This norm, developed evolutionary psychology, suggests that because people who understand that helping others might lead to reciprocal kindness were more likely to survive and reproduce. And lastly is socialization. In many cases, such behaviors are fostered during childhood and adolescence as adults encourage children to share, act kindly, and help others. Now let us see what is bystander effects. Bystander effects refers to the tendency for people to become less likely to assist as a person in distress when there are a number of other people also present. For example, if you drop your purse and several items fall out on the ground, the likelihood that someone will stop by and help you decreases if there are many other people present. So this same sort of thing can happen in cases where someone is in danger, such as a car accident. Witnesses might assume that since there are so many other people present, someone else will have already called for help. What are the other influences of prosocial behavior? Well, some of these are fear of judgment or embarrassment. As people sometimes fear leaping to assist only to discover that their help was unwanted. And in order to avoid being judged by other bystanders, people simply take no action. Now, the other one is how other people would respond. People also tend to look to others for how to respond in such situation, particularly if the event contains some level of ambiguity. If no one else seems to be reacting, then individual become less likely to respond as well. And a number of people present. The more people who are around, the less personal responsibility people feel in a situation, and this is known as the diffusion of responsibility. Now, how to improve pro social action? Well, there are things that we can do in order to improve pro-social action in oneself and in others. One thing is to develop skill. One reason why people fail to help is that they feel that they don't really have the necessary skill to assist in times of emergency. So, in order to overcome this, one should learn the basics of first aid or CPR so that one feel better prepared if you find yourself in an emergency situation. Next is model pro social action. If you are a parent, provide a good example for your children by letting them see you engage in helpful actions. Even if you don't have kids, pro social behavior can help inspire others to take action, such as volunteer in your community or look for other ways that you can help people. Praise act of kindness. When you see kids or even adults doing kind things for others, let them know that you appreciate it. Keynotes: action that benefits another person or society without expectation of reward is called as prosocial behavior. Helping a stranger, sharing a toy, donating your time, comforting someone who is upset is all as an example of prosocial behavior. Content was taken from verywellmind.com. Thank you for watching this video.